Oh yeah, today is the day in the Eastern Conference Championship game as the Green Bay Blizzard travel to the ViStar Arena to take on the Quad City Steamwheelers in IFL football playoff action. It's going to be a hard, fast-paced Jackson game. Green Bay Blizzard are 11-6, and the Quad City Steamwheelers are 12-5. It's going to be a great game. Check it out. And the winner of the game will be going on to face the Vegas Nighthawks in Tucson, Arizona, from the Tucson Convention Center. And the winner of the game will be the Green Bay Blizzard.